And it goes a little something like.
We just got mail. Mail time. It's from Bafeier electronic mosquito swatter. We just got one. And we are doing a quick review out of the company and tell you guys what this is really about. I mean, we have actually a lot of baby flies, but it's come to the season that we're not gonna need as much because we got plants over there and fishes and another plant over there. But we're gonna go ahead and test this out and see how that goes. Oh, look at that. Look how it shines. Oh, you see that light, you guys? He's already turning that light on. Look at that. Not bad.
No problem. See? Come on.
No.
Look.
Wait,
No problem.
Here's the instructions. And here's like the brand, I guess. We just got one. And it's like which kind of swatter and mosquito is a BF 880, I guess. And thank you very much for choosing us. Please read the manual carefully before using it so as to use it correctly. It has 3-layer meshes, has a working light, a charging indicator light, a working button, and on the side of the area it has a turn on / auto long working time mode. It also has a turn on / working mode, and it has a turn off button, and then there's the base. And it came with a charger for it, so this base is going to be charging it. So I'm going to leave it here, away from the kids, let it charge. So you can go ahead and
Move everything. Get some light in here.
there you go.
Open the door, okay? Open. Okay, buddy? Look. Look what Daddy got you. Cause you want to go ahead and well, that's one way to pull it out, huh, buddy?
Yep, take everything out with it.
Alright, so we got a little assembly to do here.
Yep, we got this at Walmart just now. It's Time. He is 6 months. What age is this one for then? But anyways, yeah, he likes to set up more often, so this is gonna be better because this whole house is like a floor. So you can move all around and get curious.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay, buddy.
That big connected.
I know. Okay.
Okay, I'll put on.
Hold on. Hold on.
And then this Daddy.
Alright, let's put this together. Alright, let's see. This way, buttons, so. Right about here. Yeah, it's kind of. No need to do this. Which way was easier to connect with us? These or these now together?
It looks like you. Oh, here, back side, rear side. You do rear side because it slides. You see that? And then the front will fit. Yeah. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now the seat. Put in the seat. The straps underneath. Right here, the plastic piece. Oh, shit. Take it. Oh no, it clicks into the bottom. So we gotta do, yeah. That rear side
No
right
way.
there. Yeah. We're going, no, look. It goes from the underneath right here and slides into the hook slide here.
Yeah, the way it's curved. The way it's curved. Maybe it's like
happens if it's not folded up? Like this.
I just don't think it's right to have it clipped underward when it should be wrapped around some more security. That's how I see it. That's doctors, but I don't know.
Okay, then you want to take it out then? Take it off?
Look at it. Look at the picture. It's wrapped around or not?
Yes, it is wrapped around.
I was like, let me show something. I'm like, where is it? I've seen all these wrapped around shit.
So it's wrapped around.
Then he's clip it to this way.
Yeah, so it hooks into the bottom. You just
I got one.
we need to disconnect this. Yeah, we gotta disconnect this. Pull up. Yes, it's
I'll snap that. That is toys. Try it off it. You're like, what is this? Get this up. Get this up.
It's something for you, man. Everybody okay? Yeah, siempre me está diciendo que quieres ir todos los lados. Ya vas a irte. Ay, yo sé. Ay, ay. Eres feliz, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not understanding how this shit
Want me
goes.
to do this?
Yeah. Give me that one. Yeah, I have to put the wheels in. Daddy can go ahead and do that at least.
Daddy, open!
I see how it goes, just it's not going the whole way.
Pick up the box. Let me see the box. Okay, thank you.
That's where you have to put around, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, this is easy. That one's a little bit wrong, this one.
Now they're coming with it. There you go. Got it in.
That's Mama.
Scratch the
Daddy,
ball.
that's what it's It's a battery. Then you can turn it off.
Yep. And then he could have his little snacks on that. He took out the cord. There you go. Like that before.
Daddy,
Yes, don't snack it. It is ready to roll. Rumble.
Yeah, but these aren't like, they ain't spinning very well.
And he probably needs pressure next time. He's gonna need to learn how to walk. for them. It gives them muscles.
Okay.
That's what they do a lot. They make it a little bit pressuring for the Alright, let's do this again. Strap it in.
Strap it into the back side, long side, push it forward and snap in. There you go. All done. There you go.
Now,
Go ahead and put this on.
Wait.
Oh,
You
shit.
gotta snap the piece.
Just bought it, don't worry about it breaking.
Yeah, for us, some of these falling down. We got
What up? Look, everybody, look at the baby, look at his thing. Look, you see all your numbers? See? Just snap that in there, right there. And look at this one. Now you have a little rattle. Slap a little rattle up in here. Like that, yeah.
No power?
No power, no.
let me try.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, wait a minute.
Other way.
Okay, yeah.
Look, there you go. Okay. Right here. Push it right here.
Huh? Hey, this takes batteries?
Yeah. One of the toys has a musical play. What kind of batteries do you need?
Oh, how do you freaking open it?
It's part of the whole thing. Does it already have batteries?
No.
I think I know where you can take it. You have to
Does it
go
help?
through it, right? Well, batteries for you. Right. Baby happy with his new little walker.
It's fun, so good.
There in the mirror.
I'm a fine rock baby. I live in the Grand Canyon.
Remove before use.
Can anybody see that?
Yeah, I did.
Maybe it's not.
There you go. I took it off so
I think I'm
he can look at himself better. He's looking at himself now.
Yo, what? Luau.
Get in the freaking way. He's like, whoa, is that how I look?
How does it move? Does it even move?
No. It's a squisher noise. There you go. Yeah, that's all it is too. Like,
Well, he likes his new toy.
yep.
Happy babies.
Just need to
every
get
one of them.
batteries for this. He could play a little musical for him.
Yeah, every one of them were happy babies, but turds after. Fucking.
Whoa!